In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to turn the volume up on Xbox headset. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If your Xbox headset volume is low, I'm gonna teach you how you can easily increase it. You don't have to download anything, you don't have to do any sort of reconnection, and everything can be done on either an Xbox One or Xbox Series S or X. First of all, before you even begin with the method that I'm going to showcase, check to see if you have a volume slider directly on the headset itself. So as you can see on this random example from SteelSeries, they have a physical slider that you can use to increase the volume. I would first try to increase it through this slider to see if you notice any significant difference, especially if it was set accidentally to the lowest volume possible. This can either be on the cord, so check to see if in the cord there is a volume slider, or if in the actual headset you see one of these. If you change this and now the volume is increased and you are good to go, but if yours does not have this slider, then what you can do instead, or if you still aren't satisfied, is to go over to the Xbox guide. So press the Xbox button, and as long as you have the headset connected, go over to audio. So you will see this icon here. So you go all the way down, you highlight the audio option, and you select it from its options. Now you will see audio and music. You can manage your microphone, but most importantly, the headset volume. So as you can expect, all that you have to do now is increase this slider. So the more to the right that you go, the louder it is going to be, as you can tell by the icon. The more to the left, the lower the volume is going to be. So if you want to increase the volume, just put it all the way to the right or find a comfortable position, and you will be able to change other things related to your microphone, but the most important one is the headset volume, and this will work for any Xbox model that you have. I hope I was able to help you on how to turn headset volume up on Xbox Series X. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.